Sick, sick, sick. Hello again. Pardon me.
Wait. Where the hell is the diamond at?
I mean, you could use a suit.
Where's the diamond? Don't tell me you lost the diamond. I'll be right back. I want to go get her. Boss, we got a problem. What's the problem? We lost the diamond. What the fuck? Why is everybody touching my shit? This is my shit. Everybody's taking my shit. Calm down, calm down. No, I can't, cause every time someone's taking my shit. You better go find my fucking diamond right now. I'm not playing. You better go find my diamond, Victor's ass, and you too, Black Canary. You better go find my fucking diamond. Ugh, you smell like shit.
Bloody nice.
Sierra 4-2, Sierra 4-2, this is Control. An alarm has been activated near you. Survey the area. Over.
Run to cover!
Is your visa valid? Failure to possess valid status documents is a crime.
Reloading! Cover firing!
Sending location on a 1033. Advise conditions.
Deep breaths, alright?
I finally got you, Harley Quinn. Shh, don't say nothing. I've been waiting for this day my whole freaking life. Wait. Before You guys started trying to cut my face. I know you guys lost a diamond. I can help you find it. I once helped Joker find a picture that was lost in the of these girls that were lost in a tree.
Please, help.
I'm your guy for the job. Okay.
This is not just
Go. And you better find my freaking diamond.
Hell yes.
I'm just gonna send a link out to everybody. $50,000. She's not gonna find that diamond. I know. Romeo. I promise you, I'm gonna get your diamond back. What's the problem? I'm here to report a crime. What crime? This one.
I'll try to make this quick.
All units, proceed to alarm location.
Woo!
But I don't think it's a faulty alarm. Crime alarm. I repeat, crime alarm. Location sent, need a 10:30.
Run, piggy, run.
Going into check.
Please report to the motor pool.
Target's lost.
Don't let the tit-head get away. Drone, enter search protocol.
Where's the keys to the cell? Thank you. Oh hey, I know that guy. Hey, do you know any way to open up the cell? Oh snap. Hey guys, we can talk about this. Just give me one second. Shit.
All units, proceed to alarm location.
Fucking twat.
All clear here. Whatever set off the alarm must be nearby.
What? Moving on, there's nothing here. Wait. Come out! Clear. Gonna keep searching. I'm gonna find you. I won't be through when I do.
Please report to the motor pool.
ready. This
Over. Move into the hostile's location.
Give me the diamond. See, we have a little problem. What's the problem? I swallowed the diamond. If it's not one thing, it's another thing. Wow, that's crazy. Tell me how you get to live in a baller club, a baller house, and you shopping in here. Who said I was shopping? I'm robbing this place. How do I get to become to be just like you? Rule number one: if you want to be just like me, just know there's nobody like me. But if you want to come close to being like me, well, you gotta have your heart broken multiple times. Then you gotta join. Then you gotta work in the asylum. Then you gotta fall in love with the patient. Fall in love with said patient. Then you gotta give said patient weapons. Break said patient out of jail multiple times, and then go to jail multiple times. And you gotta do a lot of crazy shit for said patient. Let's go. Do you know who I am? This is Doc. Doc makes the best chicken enchiladas. When you come to Doc, you know what I'm saying, get food from Doc, make sure you order the number 6 with extra sauce. Doc is the best. Mwah. Sorry for the mess. I know this place is not the best. What are you talking about? This place is a baller. I come downstairs with the bags. Wait. Wow, whoa, this place is cool. Harley Quinn, how you get to live in such a freaking crazy place? Whoa, this place is cool. Harley, I can't believe you live in this such a baller place. This place is freaking beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go get the bowl so we can eat some cereal. Open up, it's the police. Wait, what? The police? The only person knows over here is Doc. Come on. Yes. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Come on, follow me.
Urgent call. Possible hostile at your location.
I got it. Doc.
She was last seen down the pub then.
You saw me out?
Reminder,
It's
just
business.
someone
There's
anonymous.
a lot of people know, and a lot of people trying to give me a lot of money. Well, I'm moving to open up a bigger and better business. It's just business, kid. Come on, kid. It's just business.
Is this how I do it?
Area is being recorded
Robbie, Rudy, whatever you want to call it. I got your diamond. The girl with who stole your diamond is right here. Meet me at the bottom tower. Meet me at the bottom tower and get your diamond. Come on, kids, so we can go somewhere so we can get you safe. Sorry, kid, this is business. sit here and wait for him to come in. Pull over. Why? Pull the fuck over. What? Pull the fuck over now. Come on, fuck. Damn. Alright, I pulled over here. Get out. Boss, we got a problem. Yeah. What is it? Your little birdie. It's a rat. Wait. You sure? Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me it's the truth. Yeah, your little bird is a rat. You want me to kill her? No, I got it. I'll be over there. Okay. Call you back, boss. Talk to you later.
Bring it down a notch, would you?
Time to get the mask on. Oh, time to go. Don't run away.
Who's this?
Oh. Was that really necessary? Oh, you don't know the way I do. Cut her, can cut me open now. What? If you want to prove to me you didn't betray the boss, cut her tummy open right freaking now. I'm gonna get this out of here. That's what I need to get. You ain't gonna. You better stay your ass here. You forgot. You've been killing. You killed a lot of people. They have a lot of evidence on you, so you can go to jail in a heartbeat. So you might wanna stay yourself here. You ain't going nowhere. Stay the fuck back. Stay back. I don't know what the fuck's going on. But this one tried to freaking got me. And you, I thought you were different. I'm sorry, I'm just bad. That's how I am. And you put the fucking crossbow shit down. Now, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Look, we have company, girls. They're not just after her no more. They're after all of us. Alright, come on. Let's get some gear. We'll do better. Get some gear. Hopefully this will do. There's nothing in there. Dang it, he took it all. Alright, come on, follow me, girls. You're gonna be
Shit! It was the drone that did that!
over here in this box.
No. Who's that man? What?
Everyone get down!
You're not allowed here.
This is resisting arrest.
There's something over there.
All right. Got you.
Smarter than you.
Human fucking excrement.
Oh, fucking hell! Help!
Hang on. Cut!
Give it up! Hey! Where I'll shoot you!
Look, how about a truce? I got clipped!
Shit!
Cannot detect target.
Alright, let's look around then. Clear in here.
Continuing unlawful activity result in arrest.
Oh fuck, wobble!
Fucker! I'll have a look. Fuck off.
Okay, it's over now. Got.
I saw that.
Get this.
What the hell was that sound?
Let's end this, yeah? Hey, get it!
I'm in
Someone's shooting!
Where's that coming from? Ow! Fuck!
Why won't you bloody...
crazy. You can't kill me. You need me. There's one problem on me, yo. They scared of you. They fear you, and they feeling the fear in the wrong person when they should be fearing me.
Thing's totally empty.
All units. I repeat, all units. We have reports of a hostile.
I know you're right.
It's funny how you have a gun and I have a knife. That's sad. This is sad. It's funny, Harley, how you weren't able to kill me. You have a gun and I have a knife. Harley, I'm sorry for everything I did. I'm really sorry for everything I did. And I'm sorry because I stole your ring. My ring? Oh, my ring. Let's go, Harley. Let's go. Hopefully it blows up. Where are you, Harley? Oh, I'm hiding over here. Up to your crib, nigga get hit, 2K order, go to the border, blackout order, got a new mat, you can step, bitch nigga, you a rat, little snitch, diss track, had him on his knees, begging God please, he a free for clout, knock him out on the couch, now he in a coma, Rona, he got corona, get a tombstone, clockwork, TikTok, work, put him in a dirt, put a nigga in a dirt, skirt, he with a skirt, and he nigga twerk, put a nigga in the dirt, talk all that shit, now you already know I'm pulling with a stick, now you already know I'm pulling with the back, now, get back now, 2K, know it like stack now, hey, talking all that shit, fold you like a, 2-0, you ready, know I rock, drop your ass again, I'll do it again, 2K, know it, last I check, you got your ass knocked out, I'm finna pull up with the Glock now, 2K, know it, go to the border, pull up the 2K, know it, got that mad, make your girl too, it's like you got no girl, you ready, you know I got a strap, pull up to your back, shoot you in your face, you know you dead, Check that shit, you really mad cause I'm successful, you already know I get successful, you already know I'm disrespectful, 2K, know it, going to the border successful, you already know I'll get disrespectful, you already know I got the map, I'm about to turn around, hit you in your back, get the stack, now you know I got that chat, you can't compare to me, check out my stats, check out all my stats, you know I got the rack, get that paper, you know you already know I hit your girl from the back, wait, what, you don't got it girl, so you know I got that clap, click clap, that 6 stack, you know you get that shit clap, 2K know it, going to the border, make a girl, ready, know I got a story, this order take it, ready, know I'm ready, take it, you know I got that meditate, you meditating that meditated, nigga wear skirt, nigga be twerking, what, I'ma pull it up, put him in the dirt, wait, what, put a nigga on the shirt, you know, Kurt, I'm feeling like Kobe, I'm gonna nigga, ready, know I got a sturdy, you feel like Kirby, you girl suck me like Kirby, wait, you don't got a girl, you ain't know, pull up with a stutter card, like, what they already know about it with a 2K, wanna go to the border, shorty bad, with a stack, chat, bitch, nigga talk that he sayer, nigga talk all that he a bitch, pull up to his crib, smacked him again, slap box that nigga, put him to sleep, put him in the bed, you know he in a coma, here's a tombstone, you know I'm getting older, get the strap, put that shit to the starter.